all doing fine and great. Today we are meeting in another learning session of EVS. In our previous class we have learnt about our national flag, and today we will be learning about our national symbols. Come on, let's start.
Here are our important national symbols that adds pride to our country. Indian national animal is the Royal Bengal tiger. It has a thick coat of orange fur with deep black stripes. It is found throughout India. The Indian national emblem is the Ashoka's Sarnath lion pillar. Underneath are the words Satyameva Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs. This is the government letterhead and will appear on all our official documents. Our Indian national bird is peacock. It has most colorful and attractive feathers. It was declared as the national bird because of its rich religious and legendary involvement in our Indian traditions. Our Indian national flower is lotus. This sacred flower plays an important role in India. The lotus holds a sacred place in the art of many cultures and religions of ancient India. It is one of the most attractive flowers. The Indian national flag is also known as the Tiranga. It has three stripes. Orange means courage. White represents purity. Green represents fertility. It also has a navy blue chakra in the middle of the white stripe. This is the Dharma chakra of the wheel of law. It was discovered during our national struggle for freedom. Indian national fruit is mango. India is very famous for over 100 different varieties of mangoes. In the late of 16th century, Emperor Akbar planted 10 lakh mango trees, and this is one of the tastiest fruits that we enjoy during summer season. The national tree of our country is our pride to our nation's identity. Banyan tree, whose branches root themselves like new trees over a large area. This tree is known for its longevity and immortality. It is also called as Kalpavriksha, or the tree of wish fulfillment, as it is associated with longevity and has important medicinal properties too.
Now take your Explore Semester 2 and take page number 179. Match the national symbols with their names. Children, we have learnt about our national symbols. Now we are going to match them with their... Children, what is this? This is our national flag. This is our tricolor flag. So we'll search for national flag. We are going to match the pictures with their names. This side they have given the pictures of our national symbols, and this side they have given the names of our national symbols. So this is our national flag. We'll find out where they have given the name of the national flag. Here it is. NATIONAL. National FLAG flag. National flag. So we'll match this picture with its name. National flag. What is this? This is an animal and this is a tiger. Children, you all know that tiger is our national animal. So we are going to match tiger with its name. Come on, we'll find out where the national animal was given. Here it is. National, national, animal, animal, national animal. So we'll match tiger with this. So tiger is our national animal. What is this? What bird is this? This is peacock. Peacock is our national bird. So we'll search for national bird this side. Here it is. National bird, national bird. So we'll match. Okay, now what fruit is this? This is a mango. Mango is our national fruit. So where is national fruit? Here it is. National, national. Fruit, fruit, national fruit. So we are going to match like this. Next one. This is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. So we will match this with its name. National, national, flower, flower. So we'll match lotus with this name. What is this? This is banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. Here it is. National, national, tree, national tree. So we'll match national tree. What is this? This is our national emblem. So national, national, emblem, national emblem. So we'll match this like this. So children, this is page number 179. Do the activity and learn well. Children, now take your EVS classwork and write today's date. 22/1/21 and write CW classwork and write the heading. NATIONAL national, SYMBOLS national symbols. So here first one is going to be our national animal. NATIONAL national, ANIMAL national animal. Tiger, TIGER tiger. Next one is NATIONAL national, BIRD bird national bird. Peacock, PEACOCK peacock. Third one is national flower. NATIONAL national, FLOWER national flower. Lotus, LOTUS lotus. Fourth one is NATIONAL national, fruit, FRUIT fruit. Mango, MANGO
G-O, mango. Fifth one is N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L, national tree. T-R-E-E, tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan. So children, write this neatly in your EVS classwork and learn this thoroughly.
So children, that's all for today's learning session. Meet you next week. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.